Boom, 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 boom.
Hi, I'm Rahma.
And I'm Karima.
And today we are doing an art supply haul.
We bought some art supplies from Amazon and Michaels. What I got from Michaels were 10-piece acrylic paintbrushes. I tried them out on watercolors and I really liked them. I'm pretty sure the brand is called Mod Podge. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong.
Okay. And the next thing I got was a new sketchbook. And this, I kind of put my own pizzazz to it. I got a new sketchbook and it's a Canson XL watercolor. It's $12 and we saw it at Walmart and it's cheaper. So next time we're going to Walmart.
Let's open the Amazon stuff. Let's start with the tiny box.
I need a box cutter.
Look at this. Yeah.
Here you
Box
go.
cutter. The moment of truth. What is in here?
They're rocking my body. They're rocking my body.
For the first box, we have, and first thing, clay tool.
Okay, let's open this one. I like the pouch.
Metal. I like it. Ooh. I'm happy that they're not plastic, because that would be a rip-off. And these look very useful for beginners. And I mean, I'm a beginner, so. And yeah, I like these. I'm gonna try it out tonight.
Okay, my thing, I already opened it, so it's a little kitty pouch. This is for, well, something coming up. And I like how, it's the transforming pouch, so it's like a kitty standing up and then walking. So, yeah, I think it's really cute, and I believe there's another one in here. Oops. Ta-da!
And
My kitty pouch! Oh, there's something else in there.
okay, let's see. This also looks so cute. I like the color. If I can just open this. Why can I? Okay. Kitty. So cute. Oh my god. I'm gonna faint. I like this so much.
Okay, now my turn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys, it's my outliners. Yeah, it's my outliners, and a pouch is for my outliners that I got.
That
And
she's sharing with me.
yeah, duh, I have to. So this is a Sakura Pigma micron pen. So yeah, and there's different sizes. And yeah, they're all black, so yeah, they're all black. So moving on to the big box. Open the box. Open the box. Okay.
There. Oh my god, I see something. Mommy first.
Okay.
Oh, clay. Clay. And it comes with, I think, 12 colors. And it's, yeah, I like it. It looks interesting.
My turn. It's my watercolor set.
Oh my
It's
god.
a 60-piece, and it's Sakura Koi. And I really like how this one looked. There were really a lot of good reviews on this. So I wanted to try it out myself, and this was $62, yeah. So I'm gonna definitely try this out, and I'll give you guys feedback. Next, and it's for me. Dum, da, da, dum. My acrylic. Are you gonna tell us what it is, Karima?
Acrylic paints.
It is a 24-piece acrylic paint set, and you see I have the brushes here, the ones that I bought from Michaels. So these are tubes, not
I mean, they only come in tubes. So, so yeah, I'm also gonna try this out today. And put this there. One more thing, and it's for you. Ooh. Okay, I got this medium-sized clay gloss because, I mean, I didn't want to buy the big one if it was terrible. So this is a sculpty glass glaze for the clay to give it a glossy finish. Yes. Okay, I believe. Are you gonna open it? No. And all of our stuff comes to the end. This is $33. Okay. This is like $100-something. No, it was only $100. Well, I just want to point that out. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. Follow us on Instagram, RKTwinLife. We'll make sure to share our art on Instagram. You will be seeing a lot from us. Have a good night or day. Bye. Bye.